Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, we're going to be talking about Disney update. Just before the earnings report, we're going to talk about Tesla being horse poo, I think. I don't know. It's just a video that somebody bashing on Elon Musk. The title is going to be, so... And then third, we're gonna talk about what am I gonna talk about again? Oh yeah, T-God's big news of going into the U.S. All right, that's right. Okay, I'm really stoned right now, and I haven't smoked weed in a long time, and I broke. So letting you know that this video is made by me being super high. So this is a super high video. So anyways, I hope you guys had a good laugh from that. Oh, the market is up today. That's awesome. So I bought a little bit more Disney stock today. I bought right in the morning and I'm up. Yay! I sold off another stock, but I'll get into it to funnel my US dollars into Disney. Let's do an update on Disney. This video is very interesting. I'm gonna play it and then I'm gonna talk about it. So
well, right now the most important metrics are going to be guidance. Ultimately, it's not about this quarter. It's about what's going to happen with Disney Plus, Star Wars Land opening up later this month. You know, they have all these great movies slated. So it's really how they think they're going to do the rest of the year. This quarter is kind of this in-between time as they're releasing all these things.
Julia, having said that, though, there's a lot of anticipation and a lot of positive anticipation. The stock's been up over 20% as we head into these earnings.
Absolutely, Becky. I mean, I think this quarter is important because it's really the first quarter that we're going to see the combined Fox and Disney numbers together. That's very meaningful. We already saw Disney rearrange its reporting units, consolidating consumer products and parks to sort of simplify the reporting structure and also separate out the direct-to-consumer business. But what's important here is this will be the first time we see those Fox assets integrated. But, Becky, I think there are two key areas to watch here. As we wait for the direct-to-consumer streaming Disney Plus service to launch, there's a lot we could hear about the film business, especially after just yesterday Disney announced 3 new Star Wars movies and a delay to its Avatar films. And also the theme parks, remember, they have those big Star Wars lands opening, the one here in Anaheim opening just later this month.
Ben, let's talk about the stock because it is up pretty significantly. People have really changed their opinion on Disney and maybe on ESPN, too. What do you need to hear in order to say, OK, this stock has more room to run?
Well, it has not been an exciting time to hold Disney for a while, especially dealing with this FX Fox deal. But finally, we're so excited because with all this, you have Star Wars, you have Hulu that's growing their users at 50%, 25 million users. I mean, there's so many different things going on with Disney right now, and we're just really excited to see what's going to come with all of it. I mean, I could talk for an hour of everything they have excited. Star Wars, Avengers, Avatar, every single thing that we have coming for the next few years with Disney is huge.
But how much of that is already baked into the stock, and what would be a metric that would make you say, okay, this is it. This is something the street hasn't figured out yet?
Well, look, the stock has moved a lot over the past year, but what has it done the 3 years before that? Nothing, right? So really what we're going to want to see is a slowdown in ESPN. We've obviously had this issue with ESPN. If we can see some growth in ESPN Plus, that would be exciting because they own some of the best sports content. But really we're looking at what the next 6 months of this launch of Disney Plus, what eventually these theme park numbers are going to be with the release of Star Wars Land this month. Yeah. So it's really what we're looking forward to.
And Julia, with the release of that, they've already done things like warned people that the crowds are probably going to be outrageous. You're not going to be able to get as many of the fast passes or other things coming into that. So there are really high expectations about that launch of Star Wars Land, too.
Yep. Absolutely. They've talked a little bit about the demand, but one thing is we have to note is they have increased prices for the theme parks, and they've rolled those out. So we might hear a little bit about how those price increases are impacting attendance, also impacting spending once people are at the parks. But I do just have to say, Becky, that Disney does not provide actual earnings guidance. Sometimes we hear from Iger some insight into how booking trends are doing at the parks, what their expectations are in terms of upfront ad sales. We have the upfronts next week, the upfront presentations next week, or even in terms of the film slate coming up. But they do not give actual earnings per share guidance.
Ben, when you compare Disney to other stocks, other competitors in its same industry, what do you think?
Well, the question is, do you compare Disney to cable companies, or do you compare Disney to Netflix, right? With the release of all these different streaming services, Disney Plus growing ESPN and kind of putting all those FX and Fox assets in Hulu, I mean, the cable companies have a lot of issues here. I think there's room for both Netflix and Disney. Obviously, people will look to bundle that whole Disney, but the cable companies are the ones who you got to worry about here. Why still have cable if you can get all these great assets with Disney, all these great shows? Basically, anything you want to watch, you can get.
So, very, very bullish. Stock ran, now it's falling back. You know, I'm very, very bullish on Disney. I'm hoping my audio is up. But I think if I can find it, hold on. You guys probably ran across it already. Where they had a picture up where they said analyst was giving it a super strong buy rating. Right there. 21 says buy, 7 says hold, 0 says sell. That's pretty strong in my opinion. So let's play this video, and yeah. This guy thinks Elon Musk is horse, you know, whatever. Horse beep. I hope I have audio. Yeah.
That's a lot of horse.
Yeah, you saw that, right? Yeah, doesn't matter what it does. I just want to believe, like, Elon Musk is very determined, and you know, hey, if the stock goes down to $200, I'll buy more. Right? I honestly think around, you know, just think about this, right? In theory, right? In 2017, Elon Musk is nowhere near what it is right now, and the stock was trading at $357. And you know, like, now it's like $250. It could go down lower. The lower it goes, the better. If it goes to like $200, that would be a sweet opportunity. So if it goes down lower, that's even better, in my opinion. Because Elon Musk just raised a bunch of money, you know, and I think he'll succeed. I think he'll succeed. I think he's a smart person. He's the guy who created PayPal, and they got bought out for $1.something billion. So, and then he has SpaceX. I think Elon is a smart person. I think Tesla, the lower it goes, the better of an opportunity it is. That's my opinion. We'll see where Tesla stock goes. If it goes down a lot more, I'm definitely going to be a buyer. Aphria. I still believe in Aphria. I think Aphria is a good company. You know, I would buy more, but I think that, you know, Aphria could go down lower. because there are bad shit coming, like Kronos' earnings that could cause Aphria stock to crash. Aurora's earnings could also cause Aphria stock to crash. So I'm gonna be careful. I'm not gonna sell at these levels. I think it's a fair value at these levels for the total amount of assets that Aphria has. At least this is my opinion. So we'll see if Aphria can go down more. The further it goes down, the better, because it creates a better opportunity. Because I still believe in Aphria. I could bail out of Aphria now, and I could gamble for the stock to go down lower. But if I think long term, I think that Aphria will grow its assets, will grow its company, and it'll be worth a lot more in the next year, in my opinion. Just my opinion, though. I could be wrong, and Aphria could go bankrupt, and maybe there's something in behind the scenes, but that's happening. But the new CEO says that they want to be as transparent as possible with shareholders. So if there was something bad in the background that's happening right now that's causing the stock to go down, then shareholders would lose all trust, and I don't think they're gonna gamble on that. So if there's something bad, he should be telling investors right now. And from what he says, like good news and bad news, they both have to be released. We have to be transparent no matter what. So the new CEO is trying to be as transparent as possible. No illegal activities. He's been in the industry for a while, so I'm gonna trust him. And I just think that this is an opportunity. I think that if it goes down lower, it's even a better opportunity. I'm hoping the stock goes down to $5.60 or even like $5. I would love to see that price. The lower this thing goes, the better. I still very, very bullish on Aphria. I should have sold out when it broke $10, but I didn't want to whitewash my stock. So, but I should have. Too late now. Well, I mean, I should have. I should have. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, that's. All I can do is hope the stock goes down more, and buy more. Buy more. That's the only thing I can do. So I'll wait and hope my money recovers. One of the two scenarios: either the stock goes up, my money recovers, or the stock goes down and I buy more. Because I still believe in this company for the long term. But the only problem is there are events that could cause the stock to go down. Aurora is up today, 13 cents. I guess that's good. I don't know. Volume is pretty decent in the morning. T-God had some big news today. U.S. news today. Aurora still owns about over 10% of T-God. They entered the U.S. investment. You guys can read it for yourself. I thought this would pop the stock, but nope, not really. Aurora. Oh wait, no. Why I have this up? Australia's capital down 3 cents, down to $1.03. I still have shares for Australis. I will hold on, and if it goes down to like 95 cents, I'll attempt to pick up some, because I think Australis has some kind of value, because BAM has some kind of value. So I believe that as long as Australis holds BAM, I think Australis will have some value. If they cash out right now, they'll still have value, because they just got a bunch of cash from BAM. So I don't think they will cash out on BAM. I think they're going to be there and help BAM grow. That's just my opinion. Okay, that's my analytics. Intel. This is the company I sold out for in the morning. I sold this out and I bought Disney. I used the money that I had in Intel and I used it on Disney because I'm more bullish on Disney than I am on Intel. Kind of strange because Intel has a lower PE ratio than Disney, but Disney is posed for massive growth in the future. Massive growth. I think so. In my opinion. They're going to be the media king. The media king, and they're going to be competing with Netflix. And they already have a way lower PE ratio than Netflix. So, in my opinion, they could have a higher PE ratio, like way higher. Lyft is down 4%. I'm hoping Lyft goes all the way down to $40. I think the stock's gonna go way lower than this because shares are gonna get unlocked in Lyft. AMD, still bullish on AMD. AMD's up today, even though the market is kind of not up that much. So, you know, I could have bought some AMD when it dipped real bad, but I didn't. Oh well. This stock is up half a penny. Oh, wait, is it half a penny? No, I don't know. Yeah, it is half a penny. Oh, it closed on 28 cents. That's why. Qualcomm. I still have my put option on Qualcomm. I recovered most of my money that I lost on Qualcomm, so I'm gonna gamble that Qualcomm is gonna continue to go down because that's what the charts tells me. But it could not. It could just float around here and just destroy my put option. But I'm gonna gamble that it's gonna go down. So we'll see what happens. Liberal Health Science. I'm hoping the stock goes down even further. I hope that this stock goes down to 70 cents. Even though I do own a ton of shares in this company, I want to go down more because, yes, I'm losing money on this company short term because I bought at the wrong time, but I wanted to go down because I would love to buy more because I believe that, it's, I don't know. I believe in its future. That's all I can tell you. I believe in its future. This, I guess, the kind of link with Aphria, and Aphria has a dark cloud around it. So Liberal Health Science also has a dark cloud around it. But I will be making a more dedicated video on Liberal Health Science on the weekend. So, I'm hoping this goes lower. I definitely gonna be buying more if it goes lower, just because I believe in this company. I believe in the CEO. I believe in the management. I definitely do believe in this company. I'll be, definitely be making a video on the weekend. Palladium is down, but Largo is, I don't think, down. Is it down? It's down. Okay, it's down 2 cents. But, Largo should be down a lot more. But it's not. So, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.